some of the bugs out. But.
Yeah. Biggest bug we should get out is save our money. Buy those goddamn fucking inflatables.
Well, the nice ones are expensive, but
I'm gonna save up for that Cocopelli, I don't care.
it's cheap ones are so cheap.
Yeah, but
I know they suck, but
yeah.
I think most of what we do is
Yeah, this is just.
I might get one of them foldables because
Foldables?
then you let it come off.
Yeah, but you want a short one.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Yep. That's why we brought it all. So we can get some help on here. We have people on the back.
Smelly ass shit.
Put it in. You folks launching soon?
Yeah. We're leaving now.
Okay, not to get you out of here, but
We won't. We're
we
going to
know
our
your
room.
timetable.
It's safer to go that way though, instead of going straight
Oh
down.
yeah.
Just so you know,
Move over this way, we'll take a
proper canoe oarsmanship.
Alright, gonna go on that side?
Remember, never stand in a canoe or a kayak.
Yeah.
That's right. So let's just move it over, okay?
Oh, we are getting
Yeah,
screwed.
he's good. They must have been really not happy.
Huh?
They must have been pretty unhappy about our late arrival.
So, no, they didn't look at the website. They thought we were getting canoes.
Oh, yeah, they didn't follow their own protocols.
Yeah. Poor old. So yeah.